What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if the tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. From freelancers to consultants to gig workers, all of these men and women are taking their skill sets to LinkedIn for business growth and remote work as well. So in this 8.5-hour 69 lecture online certification course, I will break down the course as to what it will cover and pertain to, such as why LinkedIn is important for your career as a professional or freelancer and business growth, how to connect with active people on LinkedIn, how to grow your network, how to create content that win opportunities, and much more. So let me jump right on in regarding what the curriculum will cover. There will be 4 lectures on understanding the power of LinkedIn and why you need LinkedIn when it comes to finding freelancing work, masterminding the social selling index. You will learn how to optimize LinkedIn profile for massive visibility and success. That is from designing your LinkedIn banner, URL, setting profile videos and audio pronunciation option, growth hack with build, resume, and adding different sections on how to set the skills section and get endorsements. When it comes to networking through LinkedIn, there will be 11 lectures covering all of this, such as how to find your target audience using Boolean search, learning the art of insightful engagements on LinkedIn to win opportunities across the board. You will learn the best way to connect on LinkedIn and who to connect with. The best of all, the course will teach you tips and hacks when it comes to how to send connection requests with a 99.9% acceptance rate. When it comes to the art of content marketing, there will be 19 lectures on helping you with your content creation, which will help you build your brand along the way. You will learn how to master the 3 ways to post on LinkedIn, which is video, text, and picture. From starting a LinkedIn newsletter to creating LinkedIn events, all of this will be covered in the Art of Content Marketing chapter. When it comes to lead generation and client winning strategies, there will be 14 lectures on how to get those leads, whether it's from job applications, blog posts, online events, or online content. When it comes to remote jobs and other job opportunities, using LinkedIn, you will learn how to properly apply for jobs and communicate with recruiters as well. By learning how to properly use LinkedIn for the freelancing ability, you will also learn from the experienced professionals, content with decision makers such as CEOs, gain visibility, attract clients, generate leads, and grow your own network. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they will also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. This is Markie Williams, and I'm out.